So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a review process on your Zoho CRM account. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. After that you will need to select this profile icon and now select Access Zoho CRM. Now guys, you have to go with this settings icon right here and select this option right here. Now just select this button right here called create new process. So guys, after coming on this page, you will need to fill up all of these details like give a name to your review process. We'll go with Howard and type your description about your review process right here, and after that choose your module from this list. And now you have to select your layout. There is no option, so you just choose standard. And now after selecting all of these details and filling up all of these, you just need to click on this button right here called next. And now you just have to give them some conditions to which this review process will work on. And after giving them all of those conditions, you have to click this button right here called save. And after that, your review process successfully created on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to create your review process on your Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.